Sent you out here on a Sunday, huh? They got you out here working on a Sunday, sir?
Yeah, but you get triple time now. You know, triple time working for Green Cloud, which is 3 times nothing.
Extra edibles?
Extra edibles, extra ganja.
It's like we got some pro hemp art here going up, huh? Very nice. Follow Green Cloud Art.org on YouTube. All right.
Actually, the guy got busted with smoking marijuana in high school. The class president. He was on Facebook this morning saying, like, what's the gas prices out there in California? And I just found it out. We use hemp now, so he doesn't know what's clever.
Is he still smoking?
I don't know.
It sounds like he should be.
It's funny, I brought him up
Here you
twice.
go. Take this one, sir. Let me help you out. I'll tear for you. So, they get you out here to beautify these art boxes that get graffitied, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Not that they're about right down there, huh?
It's a job. It's a job, you know. And you gotta take
Lift this up. Get that up a little, would you? No, lift that paper up. Yeah. There you go.
You gotta take it seriously.
Yeah. Well, saving the earth, that's everyone's job.
It's not, you know, because once those
Saving the earth is a team effort.
once they come, you know, disrupting things.
We're out here in front of Zinc in Venice.
Who do they call? 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. They call the Green Cloud. There's Green Cloud out there.
Damn.
Regreening because we like it green.
And then Green Cloud outsources saving the earth to you.
Oh yeah.
So you're the guy.
Yeah. Well, it always
You're the nuts and bolts.
It always comes down to, you know, Green Cloud when they spring a nuclear leak, when they pollute the waters, they try to deforest when they could just grow hemp. That's when they need Green Cloud's advice. Because growing hemp is 4 times more profitable than using old growth forest. So now that that's public knowledge, what are we doing about it? Why are we still using old growth forest? We could be doing everything with hemp now. Just copying.
Jake? Jake drive by?
Jake drive by.